Futures pointing south still. Dow off 100, Nasdaq down 95. Keith Fitz joining me this morning. Keith, uncertainty over trade. It seems to make the rally look fragile, but you keep buying into it.
Well, I do, and I'll tell you why. It's because this stuff comes and goes, and we know that from studying huge amounts of history. So the perception is everything, Stuart. The reality is that the numbers from strong companies like those that you and I talk about continues to grow.
Tell me about Palantir. It's had a great run.
Oh, I'd be happy to. I love that company. I've been tracking it since the single digits. I think it's going to go to $200 or higher. The addressable market continues to go. Commercial companies continue to run to it. Government spending, it is just a monster on wheels.
Well, wait a second. A lot of people on this show recommend Palantir for the benefit of our audience. What exactly do they do?
Okay, so they make what's called an ontology-based language model. Rather than traditional models which silo data like the SAP legacy models, this is a layer that sits on top that allows all of this data to come together and crosstalk, the byproduct of which is organizations can dramatically increase sales, operational efficiencies, and make real decisions in real time, which you can't do with something like an SAP or an Oracle.
Okay, that's well explained that it's doing well. Not today, but it's gone straight up recently. Tell me about CrowdStrike.
This is another one that I think if you're paying attention, right, to the bigger picture around us, never mind the fear and uncertainty and doubt, right? Cybersecurity is a multi-trillion-dollar problem that's only going to get worse. The addressable market here, I think, is going to double within the next 5 years. This is a company that continues to expand. 2 out of 5 customers use more than 5 of the products they offer. Every customer that's on board stays there.
We're soon getting into the second half of the year. We keep hearing predictions of a strong rally on the market if we get some satisfaction over trade and if we get tax cuts extended. Are you in that camp still?
Absolutely in that camp, and I'm starting to put some numbers to it. I think 6,500, maybe even 6,600 on the S&P is not out of line if that happens.
6,600 on the S&P. That's significantly higher than where we are now. That would be 700 points. I'm trying to do the math here. That's a significant gain in the second half of the year.
Yes, it is. Yes, it is. Because all of this money on the sidelines that has missed the rally, and believe it or not, it's been a lot of professionals that have missed it this time around, Stuart. I think they're going to all have to play catch up, and they're going to go right to the names. Speaking of which, big tech, I think, is going to come right to the top of the leaderboard again.
Okay. Oh, I'd love to see that. Keith, thanks for joining us this morning. We're going to transfer our attention now to Wall Street, where they're about to ring that bell. And there you go. Thank you very much. Cue the bell. There it goes. That means you've got 10 seconds for the market opening, and bingo, the market is now open. It's 9:30 Eastern Time. Look, we're expecting red ink across the board.